And today I'm going to teach you how to create backtop with RTMKit. But first of all, you need to install RTMKit. I'm Rudy. Let's get started. You need to install RTMKit, RTM from builder also, and create page and edit with Elementor, and you create flexbox. And after that, add element, and there is back to top. Here, scroll down. You need to scroll down. Here's a back to top. You drag and drop it. Here you can choose style, icon only, text only, and progress indicator. You can change the icon. This is the icon library. Here's the icon, RTM icon, regular. You can change. You can choose like progress. Here's back to top. Insert. It's small, but you can choose another one. Back to top. Icon you can change with another icon, like arrow, like this one, or circle. You can insert, or you can use RTM regular, arrow. Here's the arrow. You can choose here's one, and you can scroll down, setting, height on scroll. Here's the style. You can choose how big the button size, and maybe icon only. And how big the button size, the height, and the icon size, and border ratios, and the color when it's hover you can choose. And you can choose background tone and box shadow also. Yeah, if you want back to top for your website, you can download it and install it RTMKit. Thank you. And